single hole punch. This little tool is very handy for making holes into things that you can't cut, such as especially plastic and paper and magnetic fridge sheets of fridge magnets. It's a really nice device for things to connect together. If you cut this plastic, it will just come apart. You can't cut this plastic with a knife. So, but with a hole punch, single hole punch, you can easily make a hole in it. There's this is a hole. It's I consider single hole punches are for craft purposes, not for paper. I think 3-hole punchers are for paper, putting paper in binders, but single hole punches I consider are for crafts, because you don't have to be you can't be too specific where the holes are made with these single hole punches. I use this a lot in my hack channel. Life hack channel was the best life hack, and they're very sturdy. They got a dirt container. They're useful, very useful for crafts for sure. You can make all sort of toys and handy household products with them. Of course, you would cut some part of this when you're making a hole in this thing there.